Wanna know how to add links or embed links in your site in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your WordPress.com website. And once you're there, here you can see your website's dashboard. So make sure you're under our website dashboard as well. So you can either choose post or pages. So I'll just go for post for now. Select all post and simply select the post that you had existed, or you can just create a new post. Now once you have opened the post, just simply select this plus icon right here. This would add up the blocks. Now since you want to embed a link, you can just simply scroll down until you see links that you can add on to. So right here you can see embeds. So you can go from normal link embed, from SoundCloud, YouTube, and much more. You can just simply select any one of these, and in your main page you should be seeing this right here. So you can just simply select embed right here, and once that is done, it will be embedded to your current site. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.